Hi, today I'm going to teach you a method called as the shoelace method, and this method is used to find the area of a quadrilateral, which is a four-sided figure. What I've drawn here is a simple quadrilateral, a rectangle, as you can see, and its coordinates have been labeled as A, B and C. Always remember, when you start here, for example, if you start here, then you follow clockwise sequence to B, and then you go to C and then D. Maintain this sequence. Do not go randomly, just maintain a particular sequence. Now what you have to do here is to write down these coordinates the way I've written here. So A coordinate has to be written, the X and Y coordinate. Similarly B, C and D, and then you repeat the A coordinate. Okay, so write them down in this particular sequence. Now what we will do is to take this top coordinate and then multiply it by 2, you get -6. Repeat this, you will get again -6. Repeat the operation, you get -6, and finally you get -6 here. Okay, once you are done with that, you will get -6, -6, -6 and -6. So you get -24. Remember, we always take the absolute value of modulus. That gives you 24, because area is always a positive number. So even if you get negative, you will still have to make it positive. Then what we will do now is to again go to the X coordinate, okay, and we will now go this way, again multiply. So -3 times 2 is -6. This one, this one, this one. So what you will see here is that -3 times -2 is +6. So it will be all the positives here, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. You will see that you get +24. Absolute value is anyway 24. Add these two. When you add them, you get 48. Divide this 48 by 2, you get 24. So this is the area of the quadrilateral. You might be wondering, is it applicable for any type of quadrilateral? Definitely yes. I've shown a very simple example, but you can use this for any irregular shaped quadrilateral, as long as you keep the coordinates properly aligned. That means you go in a particular sequence. Suppose you are following a clockwise sequence, follow the clockwise sequence. Second thing, always remember to take the sign. So if it is a negative number, always take the negative number. Third, once you do all the manipulation inside the bracket here, after that, if you suppose you get negative, then make it positive. That means take the absolute value of that. After you do that, follow this particular sequence and then get the number here again. So you get 2 times, you have to repeat this twice. Add these two numbers after taking absolute value and divide them by 2. That will be the area in unit square. Okay, unit square. This is a method that is used in questions that appear in the Igcse further math. Okay, Igcse further math edexcel, and it's very good, very easy. Okay, thank you very much.